This working experience also provides me early exposure to the real working environment, which can help me to better understand the workplace expectations. It also has improved my technical skills in using the financial related software such as AutoCount, and also sharpened my organization skills. Moreover, this working experience in such professional environment also enhance my communications and teamwork abilities, which is important to my future careers.
In financial department, I was actually involved in the preparation of financial documents between companies. Therefore, I have learned what kind of the documents should be prepared and when we should prepare them. And also, I have learned how to read the company's financial statement.
I think the key lessons will be I need to be more focused, detailed, careful while doing the work, such as filing, writing checks, or even those stamping. Also need to be very careful and detailed.
Okay, be open learning for new experience. And second, I will say take notes during training and then document process as you go. The next one is master the basic skills such as filing, Excel, computer literacy is for their knowledge. They need to be experienced such as small skills. It's easy for us to teach them also. And then pay close attention to details such as accuracy in numbers, because in finance department we are very particular in numbers, because when we are doing payments we cannot do a wrong. For example, vendor payment 100, but then we are keen in 200. In finance department, we are really crucial when we are doing a payment. And then the last one is stay professional and dependently, communication clearly and maintain confidentially, and most importantly when handling a sensitive data.